Oldham Ramblers footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again last week. When? Tuesday, the 12th of September 2023. Where? Footpath 104 Oldham between Hodge Road and Sholver Lane Sholver at the back of Hodge Clough Primary School. What? Strimming, clearing and litter picking on footpath FP108 Oldham. Who? 4 volunteers out this week: Ken, Mike, Keith and Neil. A roadside footpath sign is required on Sholver Lane at the start of footpath 104 Oldham. This was reported to the Public Rights of Way officer, who has requested a quote. A football and cricket bat were found on the footpath and returned to the school playing grounds. A big thank you to all the volunteers and thank you for watching.
Keep walking.